Greetings. Happy Sunday. This is Dr. Amona Washington, Wayland Baptist University, Managerial 310, Managerial Communications. Welcome. This is week 5's feedback. I cannot believe we are halfway through the course. I guess it is because time flies when we are having fun. I am having fun. Thank you so much for the positive feedback for doing the videos this way. I find it very interesting as well. I'm thinking for 2 of the homeworks. Well, let me talk about the homeworks first. Homework 2 is now graded, and it was pretty clear cut. I was looking for you to get rid of the unnecessary wording and really highlight in your writing the points that you want the reader to focus on, the dates, the times, the room, and using writing tools such as bold, italics, indentations. Those are really important when we want information to stand out. I am planning to, and not off the top of my head, but at least 2 of the homeworks, planning to give video feedbacks individually, because one of the homeworks is a resume and I want to be able to provide you with some helpful tips. I'll also be doing a video on on resumes, and that will be an extra credit opportunity, so more to follow on that. I looked over week 5. You guys did a great job. And basically what I was looking for was you to be able to recap what you have learned. And the reason this is important is because as you are learning, I want you to be able to take what you have learned and apply it, make it applicable in your personal and professional life. So that was the objective of having you highlight what you have learned. Pretty much everything. Some overarching themes I would add is, number 1, the importance of communication. Overall communication, oral writing is paramount. It is vital to be successful in the workplace. We talked about several of you talked about rewriting and proofreading, and understanding that there's always time to take the extra few minutes to proofread your writing. People make assessments of your professionalism, your intellect, based on your writing skills. Therefore, it is important to spell check and not have a bunch of grammatical errors. Listening skills, many of you talked about improving your listening skills. And I am a good listener, but there's always opportunities for improvement with listening. So I was happy to hear that. Digital age and technology, we all have become, I believe, more aware thus far based on the information that we have learned how digital and technology has impacted communication, the use of social media, the use of other internet tools to whether enhance or limit our abilities of communication. We can safely say that it has definitely impacted our communication styles. Yes, so now some personals. Anthony, you talked about sending messages properly and proofreading. Really important. Yasina also talked about revising messages, and then social media, understanding that no longer do we really have the opportunity to say we will not use social media, because if we will stay relevant and active in the workplace, we have to use it, or at least understand its use and its place in the workforce. Rick, again, realizing that communication, and we often may think that learning a skill or computer skills or these things are important, and they are, But communication is the most important, because whatever skill you have, whether you're a doctor, a lawyer, or a mechanic, if you're not able to communicate to the patients, to the courtroom, or to your customers, you will not be effective. You have to learn to communicate effectively. Lori brought up a really good point, and this is a thing that I still work on: passive voice and misplaced modifiers. Personally, my